Hi everyone, I'm Neil with ArrKann Trailer. Today I'm going to take you on a little tour through the Sprinter wide-body 341 BIK. It's a bunkhouse with 3 slides, and it's a fantastic trailer. Starting up at the front, we've got our one-piece molded fiberglass cap. It comes 3/4 of the way down, and then we've got our checker plate rock guard. In this year, they incorporated a front window into the cap, and as well as a strip of LED lighting. Looks awesome. These come standard also with the power front tongue jack. All 4 corners have jacks as well. The stabilizer jacks are power, and there's a little cool feature to them I'll show you inside too. Looking at this front pass-through storage, it's huge. There's so much room. You could put your chairs and your firewood if you wanted, and you could put your fishing rods and your equalizers and all your camping gear too. It's a magnet catch. We got a power awning. It's a 2nd generation power awning, so it comes out with the control of a button, and it comes out about 8 feet, and then you can actually pitch it or tilt it to control which way you want. If it was raining slightly, you control which way you want the water to flow. And there's an LED light down the awning as well. These doors are friction hinge doors. I don't know if you've heard the term before. Because their hinges are a little bit tightened, they don't actually blow or swing on their own. And then the MORride step system. This step is way more solid than the other steps that just hang off the trailer. They do touch the ground. It's safer. They're a little wider, and you store them inside the trailer while you're traveling. Way back here, at the back of the trailer, which would be underneath where the bunks are inside, is an outside kitchen. Now, for show purposes, we've taken the door and the gas struts off of this outside kitchen, but it's one of the big ones that open this way and sits here at a 90-degree off the top, and it becomes a nice little shelter for you too. But this outside kitchen has a 2-burner stove as well as a fridge. And in the very, very back, it has a spray port. So they do equip you with a coiled hose, which you can quick connect into here, and it comes right into your fresh water system. And now you have water as well. And a ladder. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the 341 BIK Sprinter. Nice and roomy. We have opposing slides here in the kitchen, which allows for a nice long island kitchen. This is a residential style spray faucet and a big stainless steel 1-piece sink that's sunk into the seamless countertop. On this super slide, we've got our theater seats, which are across from our entertainment center. The entertainment center is a LCD TV that actually goes up and down into a counter. Underneath the TV, we have a sound bar by Furrion, which is all Bluetooth connectivity to your phone. And then underneath that is the fireplace by Greystone. Coming around this side, we've got our dinette table. Now this dinette booth has storage underneath it, but it also folds down into an additional bed if you needed it. Probably won't though, because this bunk room is huge. So this bunk room has a slide in it as well, which really opens things up. This is a single bunk. It is a 300-pound capacity though, so it holds a lot. And then it folds up out of the way and locks. And then this is a trifold sofa. So this can be used as a couch, and then it also folds out into a bed, which would accommodate 2, 3, or 4 more children. And on this side, we've got the double bunk, which once again, you could put 1 or 2 children up here, and lots of extra storage and cubbies on that side, as well as a window. What we didn't see in the kitchen is the flat top 3-burner high output range, and then as well as the oven and the microwave above. They have another little station over here with just more counter space. I love that there's a LED light there. There's a plug, could be a little charging station or just additional storage. And then one of my favorite features too in this trailer is the double fridge. So these are 2 separate 6 cubic foot double door 2-way Dometic fridges, work off of gas and electricity. Now you could fire them both up if you needed that extra food storage capacity, or maybe your trip wasn't quite as long as you only wanted to use one of them. That's fine too. Completely up to you. Good sized bathroom, full with sink, commode. It has a neo-angled shower with full surround. In the master bedroom, it's a king-size bed. It's an island bed, full residential. And then on both sides of it, you have your own plug, your own night table, your own full wardrobe to accommodate any of your clothing, as well as both a blue LED reading light and a regular reading light too, on both sides. Oh, what's this? More storage? Sure. Stabilizing jacks. They are power stabilizer jacks. There's a wireless remote control that comes with this trailer. You can use it inside, you can use it outside. It controls really 4 major components to the trailer. One of them is the exterior light on the awning. The other one is the power awning. And then all 4 corners, the power stabilizer jacks are controlled by here, but the biggest feature would be all the slides. So you can actually control all 3 of your slides from this remote control. And the advantage of that, of course, is if you were at your campsite and you were maybe in tight quarters, there was a tree there or an electrical box, you could, from outside of your trailer, put your slide out and be sure that you don't hit anything. Great feature. Once again, my name's Neil from ArrKann Trailer, and this has been the Sprinter 341 BIK.
Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to ArrKann YouTube channel for more informative videos, upcoming promotions, and some technical service videos too.